has officially dropped Digital ID, and it's one of the most futuristic features the company has ever shipped. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Now, in seconds, your iPhone or Apple Watch can pull up a secure digital version of your identity, but directly from your US passport. But before you toss your physical passport in a drawer, there are some big limits you need to know. Digital ID lives inside the Wallet app and pops up with a simple double click of your iPhone side button. The setup is shockingly simple. Just scan your passport photo page, scan its embedded chip, snap a selfie, then do a few head turns like you're setting up Face ID, and boom, your digital ID is ready. The main purpose right now is speeding up TSA at US airports. Apple says digital ID is rolling out to more than 250 airports across America, letting users confirm their identity without digging through their bag. Just show the digital ID screen and approve with Face ID or Touch ID. No unlocking required. But here's the catch. It works only for domestic flights. It doesn't replace your physical passport, and absolutely no border crossing allowed. Apple says the digital ID is stored directly on your device and not the cloud, and no one, including Apple, can see when or where you use it. The entire process is encrypted and locked behind biometric security. For now, international air travel can only be done with a real passport, but Apple promises the feature will soon expand to in-person age checks, online identity verifications for businesses, so you can enter bars, hotels, and apps without handing over your physical ID. Apple's digital ID is fast and incredibly secure, but it's not replacing your passport yet. For more updates, like this video, comment what you think about this, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.